What would you do if you have the most popular best-in-class motorcycle? I think you should sit back and top the sales chart regularly. But TVS thinks otherwise. Meet the 2021 Apache RTR 200 4V.
I think I had fallen in love with the BS6 iteration that came last year. What do I do now when TVS has again refreshed the model in 2021? Let me tell you the recipe of perfecting a well-cooked dish. Here are the 5 key updates. Few of them came last year, which makes this an ultimate 200cc motorcycle. We already had the race-tuned slipper clutch with the 200 a couple of years back, which I think is so light and responsive to operate. Then the dual channel ABS. The bites of the brake are sharp and reliable. What suits the most is the adjustable levers up front. You can now adjust the levers according to your grip. TVS is hell of a competitive motorcycle maker. I mean, look at this up front. Adjustable front suspensions from Showa. It's a dream come true for enthusiasts. Adjustable suspension for preload opens up a whole new dimension of fun riding. I mean, twist and tweak. You would have a new motorcycle to ride every day. The rear monoshock is adjustable as well. With these, Apache RTR 200 gives the feel of a big bike. The next big leap the mid Apache has taken is the addition of the modes: Rain, Urban and Sport. As name suggests, Sports give you the leverage to extract full 20.8 horsepower and 17.2 Newton meters of peak torque, and the ABS has the least intervention in this mode. Urban and Rain cut down the power and torque to 17.3 horsepower and 16.5 Newton meters. The ABS intrusion is more and the output is contained. Was really ride modes required for 20 horsepower? Not really, but it surely optimizes your FE numbers if city commute is something you spend hours after. With bumper-to-bumper commuting, I thought of highlighting the crawl feature as well, which is again a segment first. This came in with the last update. What it essentially does, it stops the bike from stalling when there is no throttle input. It is very helpful for city commutes. Ride and handling were Apache's forte, and in this brand new blue shade, I think TVS has done everything that could have been asked for. For all these upgrades, you have to pay 1000 rupees extra over the 2020 edition. I mean, how on earth could TVS do this? While the motorcycle is absolutely perfect, well, I still have a long-standing desire to get a 6-speed gearbox. I am not keen on using the Bluetooth-based navigation system, but comes in handy if you are traveling long distances.